Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis' AC Lab, and today I'm back with part 5 of Make Your Body for my homemade AC cut. Just as I'm cutting out, and if you have not seen my last stream, I will more on this and put the roof on and stuff, so I'll leave a card at the top of the screen that you can click on and get to that live stream. So I'm just cutting out the roof and making it slope in a little bit more right now. I'm doing this on both sides. I also cut out the windows on the live stream for the side. So I will probably be finishing this up in the next few videos of this, and then having a video where I drive my homemade AC car around with this body. So right now I'm just cutting out the front window right now. And then I just pull it out. Now I just cutting some other stuff out of the way and gluing those things in place because the glue seemed to be on the other parts of it. Now I'm putting a little bit of cardboard on the front. That'll go right there, along that, so it will make it go from the front of it to the inside of the body. Next I'm cutting out the black piece that'll go right there, where I just glued the cardboard. First though, I am cutting out the inside because the battery goes up in there and it needs room to fit in there. So I just cut that out with my X-Acto knife and then just pull it out. I'm really happy with the way this is looking so far, and once this is fully done, it should be a really nice AC car body. So now I just test fitted it over the car and it fits perfectly. So I'm just drawing out, cutting out for the back window. And then I just cut it out, and I decided just to bend it down, glue it flat in place, because that's what I think it should look like. Now I'm just putting some supports for the roof so it doesn't collapse and stuff like that. I think I'm also going to put some skewers where the little things go up on the front windshield to support that a little bit more. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure to leave a like, and you can comment down below any other projects you'd like me to do, and I can try and do them. Then I put a cut piece of skewer that'll go along both lines of that is supporting the window, and then I glue them in place. Next I'm working on cutting out the black piece that'll go along cover the whole top. And I just put a line of glue and just push it down. And I glue it down even more and cut out where the back window is. And I also cut out around the edge. So, and I just cut out around the back. Then I just cut out around that and fold it down to like the piece of cardboard and glue it in place. Then I just cut that out a little bit more and trim it up a little bit so it looks a little nice, and then glue down the back. And then I just cut along the back. Then I just finished cutting up and trimming it up around the edges. There's still a lot more cardboard on this thing that needs to be covered with that black stuff though. I put strips on those. And I glue them in place. Now the roof is full covered, so I'm just doing the front, where it meets up with the front of it. And I just glue that in place. Next I cut out a little bit more of the inside right there. Then I just cut off a little bit of hot glue that got onto the top of it. Now I'm working on cutting out the back area because I still haven't made the back. Then I cut that out and test fit it to figure out how long it needs to be. Then I cut it out and test fit again before gluing it in place. And then I glue it in place. Then I put a little bit of extra glue on the inside to make sure it stays in place. Now I cut the nail strip that will go along the very bottom of that and glue that in place too. Next I get some more of the black stuff and cut out the piece that'll go on there. Then I glue it in place. And hold it in place where it dries. Next I cut that out. Next I work on cutting out more pieces that go along the side and gluing those in place. And I finish cutting them and finish gluing them in place. Then I do that one for the other side. So, after this, that's all for this video. So, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like. And I'll be posting more of these in the next couple of days and stuff. And I'll probably also be live streaming this week. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's all for this video. Bye.